हर खबर पर होगी आपकी पकड़। डाउनलोड कीजिए एबीपी लाइव ऐप।
सूचना और प्रसारण मंत्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर इस समय एक सीईओ फोरम में क्लाइमेट चेंज में बोल रहे हैं। सुन लेते हैं क्या बोल रहे हैं।
This is very important, particularly in the pandemic period. The good news is that economic activities are returning to normalcy. Manufacturing is coming to normalcy, and within 1 month time it will make a lot of difference and will be in full swing. That's what we expect. God forbid that there should not be a second wave or the third wave of pandemic all over the country, and I hope it will not be. People will restrain and people will take precautions. But good news is that power consumption or power demand has increased by 12% in October. October GST collection is more than the October GST collection of last year. The railway freight has increased by 15%. All these are indicators, and the auto sales and everything has picked up in demand. The demand is picking up in right earnest. The money is in the hands of the people, and they are coming, and rural and urban both, we are seeing a vibrancy returning. And therefore, this is a background on which we are all working. I am very sure that India will show the way to how to deal with the pandemic, because what we are seeing and observing in Europe and America is worrisome, and I hope that India will show the way to the world. एक है कि आप सब लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, और इसलिए मेरी इच्छा होगी कि आप सबको सुनूं। See, climate change is very important issue to be discussed world over, and world action is needed on this. It is not one country can make a difference. All countries will have to work in that direction. So in Paris we decided that we will restrict the temperature rise to 2 degrees by 2100, year 2100. So that is what we decided. And for that every country declared the nationally determined contributions. So we have also declared our contribution. We have declared that we will reduce our emission intensity by 35%. Solar power, we will have 100 gigawatt by 2022, 175 gigawatt of renewable power by 2022, and now the Prime Minister has taken it to a new height of 450 gigawatts by 2030. So it's a huge target of renewable, which will be little more than 40% of our installed energy capacity. So that is also our second commitment. Third is we will create 2.5 billion tons of carbon equivalent sequestration, because that more greenery will ensure that, and more pro-carbon activities. We have also taken upon ourselves one goal of restoration of land to the tune of 26 million hectares in next 10 years. So this is what the India stands for, and I am very happy to report, because you will be also reporting your progress. I must give you my report of what we have together achieved as a nation, that India is walking the talk.
तो सूचना और प्रसारण मंत्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर क्लाइमेट चेंज पर सीईओ फोरम को संबोधित कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि कोरोना की दूसरी लहर आने की उम्मीद नहीं है। साथ ही साथ उन्होंने कहा अर्थव्यवस्था के मोर्चे पर अच्छी खबर आ रही है। जीएसटी कलेक्शन पुराने स्तर पर पहुंच गया है। जो बाजार में गाड़ियों की बिक्री खरीद है वो फिर से बढ़ी है और 15% का उसमें उछाल आया।